Okay, so the purple sweet potato. If you've never seen one before, this is what it looks like. See the purple flesh? This one has this light sandy color skin. This is actually the type of sweet potato that's found most prominently in places like Okinawa, Japan. So if you have seen the Blue Zones documentary, this was the type of purple sweet potato that the centenarians or the people over there that live well into their 90s and 100s, this is the type of sweet potato that they're known to eat. Specifically, what it contains is a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins. So anthocyanins are the same type of antioxidant found in things like blueberries as well as blackberries. It's anti-inflammatory. It's going to help boost the immune system. It's also going to help protect against certain diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease. So when you eat these, make sure that you leave the skin on, because that fiber is going to be very good for the glycemic index. It's going to help prevent that spike in blood sugar. So again, very good anti-diabetic food that we have here. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference between these and then these, your typical orange sweet potato, and which one is better? Now that's really going to depend on what you're looking for. The orange sweet potatoes are going to be higher in beta carotene, same type of compound that you're going to find in carrots. All right, that's what makes them orange. Whereas these, they do contain some beta carotene, but a lot more of the anthocyanins. So really it boils down to what is it that you're looking for? Which kind of antioxidant do you want more of? You want more of the anthocyanins, you go with the purple sweet potatoes. You want more of the beta carotene, then you go more with the orange sweet potatoes. But at the end of the day, there's really no better between the two, I would say, in my opinion. Now, I will say that both types of sweet potatoes are more nutrient dense than regular white or light colored potatoes like russet potatoes. So in that sense, you could say that they are better, or again, more nutrient dense than those other types of potatoes. But yes, both types of sweet potatoes are very good and very nutrient dense in their own right. So what I'm about to do is cut up both of these, gonna make a little sweet potato medley. Gonna add that into this cast iron skillet with these red onions that you see here. Gonna add some spinach to it, and then we're just gonna top it with some black beans. This is going to add even more of those anthocyanins to the mix. So let's get to cooking on that, and then we'll show you all the final result. All right, there you have it, folks. Sweet potato medley made with purple and orange sweet potatoes topped with black beans. I even added a little bit of nutritional yeast and some hemp seeds for added protein. Got the spinach in there. Very nice, vibrant colors going on here. Very rich in antioxidants, beta carotene, and of course the anthocyanins. Very easy and simple meal to make. It did not take me long at all. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. That's so good. Just look at that nice purple flesh you get there. Can't find that really in any other type of potato. It's fascinating. Could eat this anytime. But yes, purple sweet potato, very much a superfood and a great longevity food. It might be hard to find these in your local grocery store, so you might have to go to a farmer's market, or you might even have to order them online. Now, if you want to check out 10 other longevity or Blue Zones foods that you should consider adding to your diet today, then check out this video over here on the top right, and we'll see you over there. Peace.